Hey guys, so I just did a little Sephora haul and I just wanted to show you everything that I got. I got some, I really don't feel like I got a lot of makeup, but I got some things here. So let's go ahead and just, quickly go through it. So, okay, let's see. The first thing that I got here to show you guys is I got this Kerastase Gloss Absolute Insta Glaze. This is to tame frizzy hair. It says it's for long hair, a gloss enhancing conditioner. So now I've had such good, when my hair was all broken and, had fallen out, it was just a hot mess. These Kerastase products really restored my hair. Oh, you know what I was doing before Kerastase? I was getting Brazilian blowouts. And I don't know what I was thinking because there were so many chemicals involved. I used to sit there coughing. I feel so bad for the stylist because apparently they said a lot of those treatments they're really bad for you. But so I had gotten quite a few of those when I was living a lot of times in Florida. So, eventually though, it just made my hair fall out. And it was like I had bald spots, you name it. But then I stopped getting those treatments. I started using Kerastase hair, the shampoo, the conditioner, and my hair became completely restored, grew back in. So I always credit the Kerastase with, healing my hair and giving me back my hair pretty much. Although, I've been doing hair supplements too. I've been taking these MD hair, amazing hair supplements. So, because they also grew in my eyebrows too. So it's like, it's amazing. But it says you leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm really excited. It says it has wild rose in it. Let me smell it because their other product that I have from them, the Chrome shampoo smells so good. Oh, this smells so good. The one that I was using that smells really good it's in the pink bottle. And that makes your whole house just smell like you're at the most luxurious spa. It's like a spa experience when you use it. This is a little bit more citrus-esque than the pink one, if you guys have tried that one, which is kind of more floral. It seems to have a bit more creamy citrus. So it smells incredible though. Their products smell so good. So it just really makes you feel like it's like a total experience. It feels like you've been transported to this luxury spa. So it's really nice. So then I got another one of these, my Huda Easy Bake powder. Love this powder so much. Talc free. I just absolutely love it. So I feel like it gives you a lot of coverage to your skin. I'm really greasy and sweaty right now, guys. I actually just left Pilates and it was so hard. I was sweating so much. But so that's why I don't have my powder on right now. Otherwise, I'd be a bit more mattified. But anyway, guys, I also got this. This is the Kerastase Glaze Drops. This is Wild Rose in Oil. And I tried this in store. And I tried it in the store with a tester. And it made my hair look so good. Did not feel greasy, did not weigh down. It just felt so shiny, so silky, so restored. So I had to get this. Actually, after I got this, I said, let me get the mask too, because this worked incredible instantaneously. I even put it on my kind of roots area up here where I get flyaways. A lot of times I don't do that anymore because it makes my hair feel greasy, weighed down, but this did not do that. It just gave the most beautiful shine. So, okay, guys, I got another one of these, or this is a different one, but oh, I love this product. I actually used up my other one. This is the Sephora Micellar Water Cleansing Water. So, the other one that I had before was more for dry skin. It comes in a pink bottle. If you have dry skin, definitely pick up the pink bottle of this. This one is for, I guess, normal skin. But love this. It's such a game changer. I used to not wash my face in the daytime because, I just didn't. But now I use my micellar water and then I use my products. So I've been doing that for a few months now. It's been such a game changer. So, okay, here I got this. I'm so excited to deep clean my brushes. Beauty Blender Tool Scrub, Lavender Exfoliating Solid Soap. This works so good. I mean, I love using my dish soap too to clean my brushes, but this is such a treat. It really does deep clean your brushes and leave them feeling soft after. So love that. And then, okay, I got these, you guys, because there was a makeup artist or, Sephora sales associate. I think she was a makeup artist because she had the most beautiful makeup and she actually, I said, how did you get that look? And she told me, okay, wait, this is the wrong thing. She had the most beautiful liner look, smoky eyes, and it looked so beautiful. And I said, what is on your eyes? And she said, it's this. It's the Ilia Clean Line Gel Liner. So she used two different ones to get the look. So I got both of the ones that she got. So she said she used the brown. I would love to do it right now because it looks so beautiful. She uses the brown and kind of smokes it out, and then she uses the black in the waterline. So naturally, I had to go ahead. I was like, whatever you're doing, girl, give me. I want whatever you're putting on. Whatever this girl recommended, I was like, give it to me. And can I tell you, she had gray hair, and it was the most beautiful gray hair ever. Oh my gosh, it was so long and thick, and it was just gorgeous. So, okay, so she says she takes the brown one, and these are Clean Beauty. She kind of smoked out with it. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. And then she went in the waterline with the darker one. So, oops. Hopefully I didn't ruin that. So these are very creamy on the eyes. It feels really good. I don't want to mix anything up. But then she takes the black and goes in tight lines with the black. So that's how she did it. And her eyes looked amazing. And then she didn't have on a lot of other makeup. Yeah, look how pretty. I love. I just thought of that sound on TikTok and Instagram. It's like pretty. Okay. You could smudge it out with your finger if you want. What do you guys think? It looks. I like it. Wow, it looks very. Hers was more packed on though. Hers was more. But we'll just leave it for right now because we don't want to do too much right now and come out looking cray. Especially I don't have with the full face. But she didn't have on a lot of makeup, and she just had on this. Anyway, guys, so she also recommended here. Let me just grab it really quick. She said this is the #1 selling mascara at Sephora. It's the Ilia mascara. She said this is the best, so I had to get it. And she loves how this actually has a wand, like a comb. You put it on. I didn't try this, so I'll try it first time with you guys. She put it on, and then she says there's a comb, so you put it on and then you comb it through with the comb. So you put on the mascara. So very nice, very natural looking. And then let's see here. And then she says there's a comb. Yes, this is beautiful, and again, very natural. It actually got every single lash. Guys, it's so hot in here. My phone just overheated, so it went off, but I did put the mascara on the other eye. It's so beautiful. It's so natural looking, and it looks so beautiful with the liner that I put on, so it kind of brought everything together. So love that. I'm gonna try to go as fast as I can though, guys, because I don't want this to overheat again. But okay, I got just a few more things here. I got this Fenty. I've been wanting this for so long, but it's always sold out. Flamingo Fling, super pink lipstick. And then I got a Say lip liner, just a nude color. And then I got this. I did put this on already. So this is the Cotton Candy ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. So I'm obsessed with pink lips lately, so wanted to get this, but I just saw another ABH list, but they didn't have it. It was sold out. Haze, it's a lipstick. I really want to try that one now, but this is so pretty, so pink. And if you love the pink lips, this might be calling your name. What do you guys think? I'm so happy I got the last one because they were all sold out. But very nice and natural looking. The makeup artist at Sephora was saying how Lawless is the #1 seller because this is so good, guys. And she said they cannot keep them in stock. But I already had one. See, this one's even pinker. Strawberry Milkshake, I think this one is called. Milkshake. Oh, Strawberry Milkshake. She said there's another one that everybody's crazy for. I didn't get it because I just got this one. But what do you guys think of this little haulage that we did here? Was there anything else? I did have some more thing, but I really think this phone is gonna just overheat again. But I was just at Sephora and a fight broke out in the store. And the lady was like, I was waiting online to pay. Actually, I was paying. And so it was like 3 ladies behind me waiting. And then like way from the back, this lady started screaming. She was like, I have to go. Somebody better help me. I have to go to a party. She was like, and then another lady yelled at her. She was like, well, you're going to have to wait your turn. She was like, everybody's waiting. You're going to have to wait just like everybody else. And she was like, I don't think so. They're going to, I would, no, it wasn't even taking that long, the line. I've been there. I've been in Sephora. I walked out many times because the line is so long. And, it's just crazy. So you can't, it wasn't that long. I mean, I was being helped, but she wasn't taking that long with me. So I don't know. People are just crazy. You know what they say? Very entitled. There's a lot of entitled individuals going around like, what are they going to do? Why are you screaming? She was like screaming from the back. But I had to show you guys this if I can. But you guys, I just want to show you this really quickly. Hopefully my phone won't overheat, but I just got this on the TikTok shop. It looks so natural. That's why it's an eyeliner that looks very natural. So that's why I got it. Of course, I'm addicted. I don't know if you know, but I am addicted to the TikTok shop. Okay, so I wanted to try this because it's supposed to just look very natural. Yes, it does look very natural. Wow. It's like it's like a cool light brown. Wow, that is very pretty. You probably can't see it because it's that natural looking, but it's gonna hopefully I can see it, but I don't know if you guys could see it. But if anything, it's just gonna give the effect. That's what I'm interested. What do you guys think? I like it. Let me see. Because a lot of these pens, I get them and they're dried up. My Huda still never came back. My Huda lip liner never came back. I don't know if I told you guys, but I bought it. It was dried up. I don't know if somebody used it, returned it. I don't know what's the story, but it was a total waste of money. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I have, I also did just get this, but I can't show you guys now, but I just got the, pink, Love Shack Fancy collection. I got some things. So I'll be back and we'll go through that. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you're all doing good and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.